What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you don't hear any sound when playing games on your iPhone or iPad. If you're unable to hear any sound when playing a game on your iPhone, but you still hear audio when listening to music or using other apps, then the problem is often linked to the in-game settings. Open up the game you can't hear and try to find the settings section. In this example, Clash Royale, I'm tapping on the menu icon on the top right of the main menu to access the settings, where I can unmute the music and sound effects from the audio settings menu. After verifying these settings, make sure your iOS device is not in silent mode by switching the physical button on the side of your device. Next, open up your native settings app. Here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, increase the volume slider and make sure to disable the volume limit option below. When this is done, head back to your main settings and head to the Bluetooth section. Here, disable Bluetooth entirely to ensure that no audio devices, such as headphones, are connected to your device. You can then open up your app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and completely exiting the game. Then, relaunch the game to see if the problem is resolved. In case the problem persists, then it's most likely related to your game files. Head back to your settings, and from here, head to the General section. In your General settings, tap on iPhone Storage. It might take a second to load your storage information, and then find the app where you don't hear any sound. Tap on it, and then select Offload app. This will require you to re-download some of the app files, and should fix the audio problem you're experiencing. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.